y'all see my OTC video on GTEH Holdings, GenTech Holdings? This one's crazy. It's like totally legit and super duper cheap. And wait till you see the chart at the end. Wait till you see the new brands, the new PR that came out. Check this out. So what they acquired, they just got a whole new brand. It's kind of like a shell, think of like SPAC. They just grabbed something called Metabolics. It's a brand. American Metabolics is the brand. Adding keto, which is low sugar, innovator to growing portfolio of sports nutrition brands. One of the fastest growing supplement companies in the world with sports nutrition and keto products available at GNC. Crazy. Bodybuilding.com and top sports nutrition retailers worldwide. This is a pretty big brand. And it's everywhere. It's legit. Just like all their stuff, dude. Another awesome brand. They got cool stuff in here, man. They got like, you know, the hydroxycut type of stuff where you can shred out. They got the lean muscle stuff, but I'm finding a lot of their stuff is a lot cleaner. It's not as synthetic. They use a lot more natural stuff in it. Even look at this. They have like keto replacement meals. These are really smart, high profit margins on this. But I pulled this. This is from like their website here, which is legit. They have pre-workouts. Wreck Havoc, have you tried any of these? But this is pulled from Amazon here. And people are liking it apparently, according to the reviews. What's good is I'm seeing at the top bar at Amazon, you see this bar here that says sponsored. That means that they're actually paying for advertising too. So they're trying to conquer Amazon. It's big. You have to pay a lot of money cost per click for these. Amazon ranks stuff on velocity, volume, flow, stuff like that. Stuff we talk about here a lot. One way to supplement that is to pay for advertising. You want to show up on top? Pay us. It's that simple. It's always all about money. They even have Super C, so vitamin C, immune support. These actually look good, man. They got a vanilla cake meal replacement protein thing. They even have collagen, and it's hydrolyzed too. So this is high-end stuff, collagen peptides. That's a big new thing from the bovine, you know, the get certain proteins and super health stuff from bones and all that. They even have that. Look how much they're charging for. $40 for this little 1 pounder. People are liking it. 56 reviews, 167 reviews, all 4.5 stars. You know, 4 stars in this one, but they even have like superfood green replacement stuff. These are great. People that hate to eat vegetables or fruit or whatever diet you're on, you can take that. They got everything. Mind, body, soul food, pre-workouts, muscle boosters, everything you need. It's all on Amazon. And look at the reviews. They're all highly reviewed. Look at this, dude. This is their pre-workout. They're selling for like $65. Seems pretty high. Great. I want to be the one that owns it. Get this. American Metabolics has produced approximately $400,000 in sales since February. It's pretty good. And is on track to exceed $1 million this year alone. Annualized revenues would exceed $2.3 million total for the whole shell company that we have here, which is GenTech. And remember, they're just adding these guys. When the recent revenues are projected over the subsequent 12 months. So this year, they're saying about 2.3 to 2.5 million in sales this year alone. This is a company that's new. This is amazing. American Metabolics products have sold over 550 brick and mortar locations across multiple locations, countries, including the United States, New Zealand, Australia, and Russia. So it's not just United States, not just Texas, it's all over the world. We also have this bar thing. We talked about this, but look at this. I researched this. It's all over. They have their own website. Guess where it's sold at? Amazon. Same thing. It's got good ratings, 77 reviews, 4.3 rated. But look at this. eBay, of course, Walmart. They also just hired this chick, dude, the guy from Quest Nutrition. They got the main guy from Quest Nutrition who made them cool. They just grabbed that guy. He's going to help them get into even more things, but the chick they just grabbed was big on, like, I don't remember what brand she used to work for, some big one, I think like EOS, just a big brand. But she was one that helped them get into big stores like Target and all that. Ground floor here, the nutrition, these protein bars are legit competing with Quest bars. So like zero sugar, keto friendly, We have this brand. This is the SinFit. This is the one where I was saying you can get like pancakes and maple syrup. That's keto friendly. So there's like no sugar in this. If you're trying to lose weight, but you can't stop eating pancakes, buy this stuff. It also got like almond butters and more proteins. But look at this. They're doing good on the marketing too. Everything is really good on the marketing. They have a YouTube channel where like, look how cool all this setup looks. This is all pro stuff, how they set all this up. And they're showing how to make the pancakes with the syrup, and they got other brands right here for pancake stuff. This brand I didn't even heard of. Are in Core Natural Science. Some more supplements, drops, keto stuff, Keto Ultra to help you get onto ketosis faster, weight loss. This is the big one for me that I thought was really smart, genius almost. Is they have like cough drops, but lollipops, so you can hold on. Why? So you don't choke, but it's also cooler. So kids will be more apt to do it, and it's safer because they're not going to choke on the cough drop. Also, I was thinking rehabilitation centers, older folks, they got a sore throat. Nurses can't go in and just drop a cough drop down their throat because they're probably going to choke on it and could die. They don't want that. But if they got something to hold on to, it's great. So they can get the menthol and all that and help them breathe. You know, but these are like Ricolas, right? Ricola cough drop stuff, because it got like all natural stuff. It's super high end. Chamomile, peppermint, fennel seed, chamomile, honey, passion flower. Get it? But look at this. Look where these things are sold. UNFI. I have a video just on UNFI. They are a big, huge, it's called like all natural focused, organic focused distributor for big companies like Nugget Market, Sprouts, Amazon, stuff like that. So they distribute for them. We have Nugget Market. I haven't heard a lot of these, Rainbow Acres, but Sprouts, Amazon. That's huge, dude. So these are all over there. I really think they need to market these old folks home. There's another brand I didn't know we had. It's called Storm. He was the CEO, just came on an interview, by the way, like 2 days ago. So I watched that. So this is like vegan stuff, vegan fermented BCAAs. So vegan protein stuff. Cool. Hurricane bombsicle flavored, jelly bean flavored pre-workout stuff. Another great brand. Dude, we also have coffee, man. This brand here, Secret Javas. And this is like an American-based coffee company. Sweet. This thing, these actually look real good here. MPB snacks. MPB, is that how you say it? So what are these? These are more keto. Keto's the cool thing right now. It's what you want to be into. I've actually seen these at gyms before. These are like the cookies you see people eating at gyms. And like, well, you eating a big old cookie trying to lose weight. Everyone's trying to be on ketosis where, you know, you can eat high fat, but no sugar. These only have 1 gram of sugar, which is nothing. But these cookies look bomb. I want to eat some of them. Like, look at this one, Fruity Pebbles. But again, the marketing to me, I'm like, dude, this is top tier stuff. No bowl needed. Each cookie this way. Why not? More and more cookies, all natural ingredients, snickerdoodles. Oh, these look good, man. I want some cookies. Where are these sold? All over the place, dude. Total Nutrition South Miami. Discount Nutrition, LA Nutrition. Isn't it funny to people how there's like LA salons and LA nutrition and stuff all over the United States except for LA? I guess people really want to be Kardashians. Anyways, look at the penetration over the United States where you can pick these cookies up. It's all over. So here's the other huge brand that we now have, and they're just getting ready, by the way, to launch. I found out that they actually have patents, I think like 5 or 6 patents granted. What do we have here? We have water, but it's got protein. 20 grams of protein for a little like Red Bull size. So imagine if Red Bull, you get Red Bull 20 grams of protein. But it still tastes like water, because you know, like Red Bull's like lightly carbonated. These are carbonated waters. You got pomegranate punch, tropical limon, strawberry watermelon. They also have a mango. Give me the mango, bro. Or the strawberry watermelon. Those are the ones I want. This is huge though. So they have a patent on that. No one else can have sparkling protein. And they get, I guess it took these two dudes who are innovators in this industry. It took them like 4 or 5 years to figure it out, and like I guess they burned through like millions of dollars trying to get it the perfect formula and all that. They figured it out. They got it patented. Everything in the process is patented. Right away, I'm like, dude, Red Bull alone could pay them and buy them out. Like Red Bull could buy these guys out totally just for that patent, dude. I can see it right now, man. Red Bull with protein. Why not? But again, look at the marketing and branding of this. It's perfect. Clearly sparkling, clearly refreshing, clearly unique. They're big on social media. You can go on any of the platforms. They got tons of cool kids. They're obviously probably paying promoters or just sending them cases of these things and telling them to please go ahead and talk about our product. And they're doing it. All the reviews I saw, people were like, I love it. It's good. Why not, dude? It's great. So, they're also staying up on their Twitter here. By the way, it's called Physique. I get it now. I couldn't pronounce the last video, but it's Physique. But it's with the F because it's fizzy. Get it? So, ticker GTEH that we're talking about here. They said, what do our athletes do on their days off? Relax by the pool with their physique. Did you see what they said though? Our athletes. They're already sponsoring athletes. And I've confirmed this through tons of social media and videos. There's tons of them out there talking about it. This is good. They're doing the selling. You can't even buy this in the stores right this second. But look what they just tweeted, and this was tweeted a week and a couple days ago. They said, relax by the pool with their physique. Coming soon to major retailers near you. SynFit Nutrition, drink physique, relaxation. See the SynFit bag here. So this is what cool. They got these synergies going on. So they're cross-promoting SynFit with the physique. Great, because we own them all. Lots of news here. So major retailers, get this. CEO in an interview like a couple days ago said, and name dropped Target. So going into Target, he name dropped Walmart, Sam's Club. He said Target alone could do an order from $1 to $1.5 million alone. Realize that they only did $400,000 in sales last year. And this thing alone, the physique alone, could get them $1 million to $1.5 million order this year alone. And that's just Target. Not including Walmart, Sam's Club, if they get to Costco. And again, this is just one brand out of like 10 that we have here. This is crazy. And then here is my second favorite part, other than the fact I love the space run and all that. Chart. Look at this ridiculousness, dude. We've talked about a lot of growth. It's like you can get it for like 55% off right now, which is great. Buy it, whatever. But if you buy those and they go back up to all-time highs, you'll be 55% up, maybe 40, 50% up, right? This thing, you look at this chart, if this goes back to all-time highs or even halfway or a third of the way to all-time highs again, you're multiplying. So you're not going like 40, 50% up. You're going like 2x, 5x, 10x up. This is massive. We're sitting at 0.0006 cents. Why? I think the main reason is OTCs are not cool right now. There's like 2 or 3 that are starting to pop. All right, we got the Fern, Eyeless, CPSL, stuff like that. They're starting to pop a little bit. But they're kind of front running right now for OTCs. So once OTCs get really cool again, they have their big heyday. That's where, if we're already in ones like this, we're not just FOMOing in after it already 10x. I want to get in before it 10x's so I can 10x again. This thing has been almost 2 cents, and we're at 0.00006 cents right now. Think about that for a second, and look at the chart, dude. It looks nuts. Could it go lower? Sure. Like a year and a half ago, it was down to like maybe 0.0004 or 5, but we're like right there. How do you play this? I'm playing it this way. I'm just buying it and wait until it multiplies like crazy. What am I watching? I'm watching this peak here, right at like the 0.004. I'll probably take some profits off around there. But other than that, dude, I see a big future in this company. We're not relying on one little tiny little product. We've got like 10 under the shell. It's huge. Don't worry, it's got a small market cap. We're fully pink current too, so we're safe if you're scared about being pink current. $19 million market cap. That's it. 19 million. That's it. Other catalysts he talked about in the interview: new office building in Texas. Great. Lots of synergy running through Texas. It's great. Not only that, in there they have a whole green screen room they said they're going to be using for like advertising and doing videos and stuff. So they're going to be pumping more social media stuff. This is great. Not only that, you said they're putting in like a little studio thing, and they're going to start doing podcasts and interviews in there. Again, selling. It's one of the big problems a lot of companies have, especially SPACs, is they just don't sell it. They're like, oh, we have it. People will just come. No. You got to do this stuff here. Are you guys already in this one? Or you jump in? Or are you going to wait till it goes down another 20th of a penny to get a better entry? I don't know. Realize this, like, when was it? Whenever we did the video, I don't know, Wednesday or Monday of last week. Well, Friday, it went up 0.0001 of a penny. That one little flick pumped it up like 17%. That's just like one little flick. Wait till we move decimal points. That's what I'm talking about with this OTC stuff. This is a legit company, and we're going to be moving decimal points with our holdings. We're going to look like a genius here in about 6 months, maybe 2 months, 3 months. I don't know. I'm just holding it till then. I ain't going to look at it. Y'all with me? If you haven't liked, commented, or subscribed on the video, dude, please help it. It helps out the video. Helps out all the stocks you're investing that we talk about. Helps everything. Everyone helps each other. If you want to join our Discord, please do it. You get faster entries on these. We talk about these usually weeks, months before we even put the videos out. Thanks for watching. See y'all out there tomorrow.